Hi, this is Bonnie Harkin. Have you ever wished that life had a reset button? Well, unfortunately, it doesn't. However, as human beings, we have the ability to step back and look at things in a new way and reset our outlook in order to overcome obstacles. That is exactly what we do in a 4-week coaching program called Hit the Reset Button. Hit the Reset Button is one of the programs that we have at Crossroads. At Crossroads, we are women helping women. We have intensive outpatient 4- and 5-day programs. We have 1- and 2-day outpatient programs. We offer individual therapy, individual life and recovery coaching, group life and recovery coaching. We're located in a beautiful 1862 estate in Pekin. People ask, what is coaching? How does it differ from therapy? And how will it help me? I found this video that I think explains it beautifully.
When you hear the word coaching, what springs to mind? Football coach? Acting coach? Vocal coach? Maybe even a financial coach? Confusing, isn't it? Well, coach has become such a popular title that it's being used by lots of professions, often with no training. And sometimes coaching is just a fancy way of saying, I'll ask you a few questions and tell you what I think you should do. Well, let's clear the air a little bit about coaching. Coaching is often confused with therapy, consulting, and mentoring. Now, those are great helping professions, but they're not professional coaching. Here's the difference. Therapists focus on the past and work to fix what's broken. Consultants provide quantitative analysis and create roadmaps for organizational change. They get paid to provide answers. Mentors help those with less experience. Mentors are already experts in their field and are helping others reach success. Now, there may be some overlaps in approach, but none of these are professional coaching. Professional coaching is a different type of conversation. There's a whole lot of asking and not much telling. Professional coaches are focused on you, helping you design your future, your goals. They're thought-provoking and inspirational. You work on your topic. A professional coach focuses on you. Professional coaches are also discerning listeners, empathetic, creative, intuitive, and curious. They're trained in coaching behaviors and competencies, which makes them really good coaches, and they're bound by professional standards and ethics. A professional coach will be your partner, your advocate, your champion.
So, do you want to hit the reset button on your life? Well, you can. We cannot change some of the situations around us or some of the circumstances. But what we can do is train ourselves to approach things in a different way, to think about things in a different way. And that is part of the process that we do together. We'll analyze the balance in your life, examining key areas of healthy living. You will determine what areas you want to work on. You'll set your goals, we'll explore possible obstacles, and how to overcome them. We will establish a simple plan as well as accountability for attaining your goals. Together, we'll work through some key concepts for awareness, and we'll anticipate the pitfalls to success in order to proactively avoid them. During your first coaching session, we will have a time of discovery. What are some of the issues that we may work on after we have spent that time together? Well, there's a lot of them that could be worked on, so the list could include some of the following, but might not necessarily be limited to the following: codependency, boundaries, communication, false beliefs that keep us stuck, life balance, toxic people, safe people, the importance of gratitude, and much more. These may be factors complicating your life. Tyrants, with you as the victim. As your coach helping you bring a balance to your life, I have many tools and exercise that we use to overcome past obstacles. During the 4-week coaching program, each individual session is approximately 2 hours long. The sessions are scheduled when it's convenient for you and what fits into your schedule. I do recommend doing the sessions weekly for 4 consecutive weeks because it keeps all the information more congruent and makes it easier for you to implement the changes that you want to implement. You determine your goals from our discovery work, and that is what we work on. What women have told me about the coaching process is this has been an incredible experience. It was wonderful. This process and all the materials I received helped me look at my life in a whole new way. I was stuck and didn't think things could change, but I learned a new way to approach the obstacles I was facing. Thank you. You see, we often can't change the situations around us, but we can change ourselves and the way that we approach the life that we are living. Thank you for taking time to watch this brief video. If you call today to register for an individual coaching program, as my thank you, I will give you $50 off the program cost. When you call, give me the coupon code, hit the reset button to receive the discount. Why not call today? 1-800-348-0937. There's time to have coaching and be ready for a new life in 2016. Call today. Thank you.